In this video, we are going to discuss the Workforce WF2950 made by Epson.
This Epson printer, it can print on both sides of the paper. The price was very good, and so far it seems to work great. It also is wireless, and it has the ability to use a fax line should you want to.
First, at the top, we see the paper tray. And there's actually two little guides that allow you to adjust for the paper size. Then, we have an additional feeder tray. And this little diagram shows you how to submit the paper through the printer.
Then we see the front display. And we can turn on the front screen. You also have other parts of the control panel through here. You also have a number pad right here. This printer is fax capable. And then finally you got the output tray where the paper can come out.